And today we're going to be checking out this Ottoman. That's right, this is how it comes. Look how compact and tiny this is. I just slid it out of a box just like this. It's a very easy to assemble, but nice look. The one that I picked is made out of a bone or an off-white colored vinyl. It looks just like leather. It's got the big buttons on it. It does have the double stitching throughout. Well, let's just go ahead, open it up, put it together so you can see exactly what you're going to get. All right, we're just going to rip the plastic off. The whole Ottoman is actually folded up into the lid. We're going to see what's in here and check this out. Here's the Ottoman, but there's more pieces. Here's like a little floor to help it hold its shape. So we're going to put this down inside, and just like that, your Ottoman is assembled. All you have to do is put the lid on. Now you have a nice looking piece of furniture that's foldable, super lightweight. It's going to add storage to any apartment or any small room or any room whatsoever. And despite of how light it is, it actually looks quite nice. I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer to let you get a better look at this little Ottoman. All right, you can see kind of up close right here. It does look like leather all the way around. It does have nice stitching on the ends and on the corners. It's stitched on the edge here as well, on all the seams. When you open it up, you can see down inside that there's a ton of storage, and the lid is fully complete as well. And we'll just put this back on. Go ahead and put this back on. Just like that. You have your big buttons and your double stitching. And just overall, a nice little Ottoman. Now we're going to give it the strength test. I am 6'1". I weigh about 225 pounds. And I can even use this thing for a chair. So just because it's lightweight and it's foldable doesn't mean it's weak. So overall, it's a super nice little piece. Easy to put together. It's going to get the job done. It's going to give you additional storage. And it even looks quite classy. I hope this video helps. And thanks for watching.